So hello guys. After a big amount of the time during I was waiting for this tool, I have finally got it. WURTH Zebra quality 6 pieces Ratschenschlüssel flexible set or Satz on German. Great seller, by the way. Great price I gave for it, only 50 euros, and I think this is a very good deal. And here it is, WURTH ratcheting wrench set with the flexible option. So guys, here are all the sizes we have on this include this set, and the part number or article number 8, 10, 12, 30, 70 and 90. You may say that this set skips some sizes. You are right, but on my car and on a lot of Mercedes often use the sizes on the fasteners which this set includes. And from the first view, this is very good quality tool. So guys, now I will open this plastic holder. By the way, very quality holder. It secures and closes very tightly, no wobbling and other stuff. This is definitely the plus about this tool. And let's now see the sizes. This is the smallest one. This is 8 millimeters WURTH Zebra ratcheting wrench. The main plus is that the heads are very tightly. They are not wobbling. Even if you shake it, it will not come loose, and the operation of the ratchet is very smooth. I want to say that they are greased also from the factory, and it is very good. Here I have my bits. These are Torx Bits from England. Here you can see England made bits, and this is the first plus this ratcheting wrench gives to you. You can use it as a regular ratchet, but you will be able to work with this bit and the ratchet in the tighter places where you will not able to use a normal ratchet with the Torx sockets on it, even if you go with 1/4-inch ones. Now let's move on and see another size. Guys, this is 10 millimeter ratchet. Also very tight movement of the flexible head, and a very smooth operation of the ratcheting mechanism. You simply feel that this is quality tool when you take it on your hand and you are imitating the working process. And to be honest, from the tools which are not made in Germany, I think WURTH is one of the best. Then the size I want to show you is 12 millimeter wrench. And one positive point I have noticed about these wrenches, guys, is that they are longer if we compare it to the regular combination wrenches. Here you can see my Italy made Beta 42 wrench, and if we compare them to each other, you can see that WURTH is longer. And it is very good. The next size I want to show you is a 30mm wrench, and the story about the length is the same what was on the previous size. If we compare this WURTH to my West German made Hazard 30mm wrench, it is obviously that the WURTH is also longer. Here you can see how long it is, and also WURTH have the narrow head, but the thickness of the head is a little bigger on the WURTH compared to the Hazard, and it is the minus, I can say so. Another size, now we are hitting already the big guys. This is 17mm wrench, the most common size on the Mercedes W210 chassis, I think. Great wrench, guys. Great tool to hold in your hand. And I have two of 17mm wrenches here in my garage. The first is Belzer, and the second one is US made Napa. Now I will grab it and show you them. Here it is, the Napa wrench. So Belzer, Napa and the WURTH. And the WURTH is longer than these two guys. It means that you can apply more torque on the WURTH wrench compared to that ones. Also, the main plus of it is that you can use this as a regular ratchet with this Astro pneumatic low profile socket, and here you can see the final construction we have got here. So very good combination, and simply I am very surprised and happy how low it is, so you will be able to work in the tighter places against if you use a regular ratchet with regular socket. So that astropneumatic low profile socket was 16mm. Now I'm grabbing the Stanley 60mm socket, and if we compare that to each other, both of them are 3/8 drives. You can see the difference how low profile the WURTH gives to you with this socket. And now I will show you the final size which this set includes. This is 19mm, also great quality, very smooth operation and very tight movement of the head. Now I'm shaking it and it does not get loose. This means that the quality is on the top with these ratcheting wrenches. So guys, now I want to mention about two words on the holder itself. As I already said, this is quite heavy duty plastic. It holds the wrenches very good. Nothing is going to drop, and it closes also very tightly. So conclusion is, if you will be able to operate this set with the good price, go and buy it. It is worth of every penny. So guys, once again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and see you on the next videos. Goodbye.